Hey guys, welcome to Ultimate Store Kit. In this widget tutorial, let's explore the product category widget for creating attractive product categories for your online store. A product category displays your store's main product stock in a well-arranged category showcase. There, your visitors can easily navigate products of their chosen category. The product category widget by StoreKit lets you not only display categories, but also make them more engaging and interactive. Are you feeling interested? Let's see it in action. To use the widget, you just need to drop it on your landing page from the widget menu. The widget will give you a default appearance, listing your existing product categories and their respective category images. This is a dynamic widget that lists everything at once. If you want to change the display lineup, you can head inside the query section and use the include filter. Here, you can choose the specific categories you want to display only. Now, if you want to start customizing the basic layout of the widget, the layout option will help. Here, you can find layout styles, a total of 6 preset styles to choose from. So, go ahead and pick a style that's suitable for your landing page. Then, you can determine the item limit, so define how many items can be displayed at once. Also, you can choose the number of columns for the display. At the same time, you are free to adjust the item gap between the categories and define the item height from the options. Again, if you want to show categories without images or product count, you will find 2 toggle buttons within the options to do that. Also, you can change the image resolution if you need to. For the record, the query section can do more things. Here, you can choose to display between parent and child categories, or both at the same time. There's also an exclude filter available that does exactly the opposite of the include filter. Whatever you select, it will hide them from the display. Also, you can edit the order of the displayed items, as well as hide empty categories. The options let you do all these. Now, you may want to customize the appearance of the category. In this case, the Style tab helps you do that easily. Switching to the Style tab will reveal a couple of sections to customize the items, images, content, title, and count or icon. The item section lets you customize the background, border, etc. If you want to add a nice border to your items, you can do that here. Also, you can change the item box corner roundness using the border radius option. Apart from the padding option, you also get to add a custom box shadow to your content. With this option, you can customize shadow color, position, blur, spread, and position. Then again, you can also add a border specifically for the images. There's a CSS filter option available for images, which lets you change image color properties. The option is available for hover mode as well, so you can take advantage of it to create a seamless hover effect on the images. For the content part though, there are more options available. If you want to make the content part more interactive, you can consider adding a glass morph to this part. Glass morph lets you add a glass-like texture effect with a custom blur amount. Not only that, you can add a custom background color as well. There are padding, margin, and box shadow options available too. You may take advantage of these options. Then, for the title, you can change the color of the text, adjust the margin, and customize font style. The typography option lets you change font style, which is a combination of font customizations such as font family, size, weight, spacing, decoration, etc. So take your time to make the font awesome. And also, you can customize the count icon by changing its text color, icon color, background color, size, etc. Because it is a number, you will find a typography option to customize it. Also, you can customize colors to add a hover effect to the count icon. Easy to do and apply. And just like that, you can take 5 minutes to craft an interactive product category display for your online store landing. There are more ways you can make your content unique. Some examples are provided here, so feel free to explore. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Ultimate Store Kit. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more blog tutorials. See you soon!